Good morning and welcome to another fabulous adventure with the Urban Hiker. Today we're heading towards a walk on the European side of Istanbul that's going to go to Galata Tower. As you can see, I'm on the ferry. Apparently there are ferries in the Bosphorus come in all different sizes. This is the biggest one I've been on so far. It's got 3 floors to it. It's very smooth running. It doesn't seem like it's moving at all, but when you look over the side, of course you see that it is. Actually, I should have taken the train from the Asian side over to Europe because I miscalculated where the metro stops were, and getting to the metro stop from the ferry landing is going to be a little bit more difficult than getting to it from the train if I took the train. But anyway, Galata Tower is our goal for today. We're still making our way to the metro. This is a little bit longer trip than I thought it would be. But the walk really doesn't start until we get off the metro. Well, we should be there soon. Well, we found it. This should be a short ride. I think it's only 2 or 3 stops. We're getting off at a place called Shahane. Even though the language uses mostly Roman letters, I still can't pronounce anything properly. But I know what it looks like, so that's when we'll get off. Well, I made a completely amateur move there. Probably the most amateur move that anyone can make, and that is to get on the train heading in the wrong direction. So pro tip, if you get on the train heading in the wrong direction, get off. Yeah, stick around, I got a million of them. Anyway, we are now at the Shahane metro stop, and we're gonna head to Galata Tower on foot. But first, we've got to figure out where it is using Apple Maps. Well, Google Maps is doing a valiant job, but I would think by now I'd be able to see this thing. Not yet. Well, welcome to Galata Tower. The worst possible thing is happening to my phone. I think I'm running out of data. Google Maps has no idea where I am. But the way I found it was by looking for crowds. And I was not disappointed. My plan succeeded. You can see there's a line going into this thing. It's a really long line. It's about 175 lira. I think that's the price for everybody, but I'm not really sure. But actually paying to go inside these kinds of buildings has never attracted me. So I think what I'm going to do is not go in. See how much a simit is here. Still 5 lira. That's how much it is over in on the Asian side. So I guess the price of cement must be controlled. I did not realize how easy I had it in Kuala Lumpur as far as not money, but language was concerned. And I was thinking, as I mentioned in another video, I've been thinking of giving up my moniker of International Big Shot. I have been completely humbled by language here. There is nothing in Turkish that I recognize. Not even anything that looks even partially like English. And as fate would have it, I get a lot of texts from my phone company that are in Turkish. And Turkish is not one of the translated languages on iMessage. So there's a lot of friction in speaking only English and coming to Turkey by yourself. We're walking along Istiklal Street, which according to my research is one of the main tourist drags in Istanbul. And we're walking towards Taksim Square, where we'll catch the subway, or the metro, then connect up with the Marmaray, and then head back to my apartment. I'm also told that this is a holiday, one of 4 holidays in a row here in Turkey, and I think it goes along with the Islamic holiday of, I'm not sure what it's called. It's some Hari Raya something in Malaysia, but I'm not exactly sure what they're celebrating. This is a pedestrian street. There is looks like a tram line that goes down the middle, but I haven't seen the tram. And I don't think it's really part of the tram system. But, as usual, not only can you look that up, but I could be wrong.
Buyur canım. Daha dinlerken ya.
ارفع لها الظهر شوي. ارفع لها الظهر شوي.
We have made it to Taksim Square, which is a giant public square. I don't know if it's in the middle of Istanbul, but it's loaded with people. What I'm going to do now is find the metro station and metro my way back over to Asia. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe by clicking my face over there on the left. That's it for today. I'll show myself out.